Hello, my name is Andy Schreiner. Welcome to the 8th week of your lesson. This week we're going to be covering the relationship of Mark to the Synoptic Gospels, Matthew and Luke. In addition to that, we are also going to be concluding the previous 7 weeks of the lessons to really sum up what it is that we have learned over this 8-week process. As we've gone through Mark, you may be wondering, how does this compare, the Gospel of Mark, compare to the other Gospels? The most commonly accepted theory is the two-source theory, and in terms of its origin and relationship to the other Gospels. The two sources being Mark and also the source named Q, or referred to as Q, that we learned about in the first week. Keep in mind that the source Q is a hypothetical text that is reasoned to exist given the addition of stories and accounts that are found in Matthew and Luke that are not present in the older or predating Markan text. One of the things that we're going to find over the course of this lesson is that there are differences between the Gospels, and these differences have been discussed and debated for centuries. Some choose to call these differences contradictions, and they use them as ammunition against Scripture. Looking back to the 2nd century, we have Tatian, who actually created what was called the Diatessaron, where he took all of these different accounts found in all 4 Gospels and combined them into one, removing all of the contradictions or removing all of these differences to provide it all in one book. The scholar after him, Irenaeus, about 20 years later, he did just the opposite. He actually emphasized the importance of maintaining all 4 unique Gospels for the fact that they were canonical scripture. And today we understand that all 4 Gospels provide a distinct depiction of the life and ministry of Jesus, whether that is a portrait, a snapshot, or an abstract painting. We believe that it is an accurate depiction of Jesus' life. For today's lesson, we will be reading a series of 5 Gospel accounts in all 4 Gospels. This activity will serve to test the way we read the Gospel as it truly is, what is written and how do we read it, and rather than a harmony of all 4 of them blended together. And the beautiful thing is when we segregate the stories like this and look at all 4, it brings to light verses that we typically would breeze over out of familiarity. So it is my hope that you enjoy this lesson and that you benefit from it. Thank you.